It seems I have everything I need. Pour the yolk and a pile of the smelches. Great! Now let's set a light. What? It's just a brilliant way to cook an egg. Whoa! What the? Oh my god, we're on fire! Justin, what are you doing here? Again, your stupid experiments? Thank you, Brittany. Oh no, my perfect life hack. No, I won't give up so easily. I announced the challenge. What is that strange smell? Really? This waffle is probably older than my grandmother. What a disgusting smell. But the waffle iron is useful to me. Add a little oil, just a little bit. Super. Now our main ingredient is an egg. That's it. Like this. Then we close the waffle iron. And we will send you to fly, Mr. Sheller. Whoa! How delicious our scrambled eggs look! Or a waffle, however, it doesn't matter. The main thing is that it is insanely delicious. Well, Justin, I hope you like it. Hey, champion, it's time to take a break and have a snack. I had the coolest moment. Okay, what's that? Wow, it looks delicious. Let's try now. This is really delicious. The life hack was definitely a success. Oh, what a cutie! Chicken, chicken, fly, fly! Wow! What a huge egg! Now let's see what's inside. Whoa! This kind of scrambled eggs is enough for a whole week. In what way should I cook it? We need to think about it. Oh, the boiler! Yeah, it will fit perfectly. And this is probably the easiest way. Just lower the boiler inside and wait. Yeah. Great. Maybe I should watch an episode of my favorite TV series. No, I don't think I have enough time. The egg is ready. Well, it's time to treat Justin. Oh, this is really going to happen our first kiss. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to interrupt you at all. Justin, this is for you. Well, oh my god. Brittany, are you serious? What a smell. It's terrible. It looks like Mom got distracted by the call. And now she's going to leave. Great. This is my chance. Surely, this area is very hot. You shouldn't have done that. Okay. I hope Mom doesn't notice the loss. Super. By the way, the iron can still be used as a mirror. Oh, what is there? Cuties. This beauty will be useful to me. Now let's see if we can cook delicious scrambled eggs on an iron. Well, it looks really good. Justin! I hope you're still awake. I like it. Hey! Get up! It's time for dinner! Or breakfast! It's time to get up! Yeah, like this. Now open your eyes. Keep them open. However, an open mouth will be enough. Say lover boy. How'd you like it? Awesome. I knew it. What should I choose? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, that's it. These eggs are so beautiful. Don't even want to break them, but what you won't do for the sake of a cool life hack. My favorite song and morning omelet. What could be better? So now we're pouring it all in here. Justin, I envy you. It remains only to put your miracle dish in the oven and wait a little. Don't miss me here. I can smell it already. It seems our dish is ready. Wow! Just look at this. Oh, that's perfect. And it's shaking like jelly? Wait, did it even get ready inside? Now we'll find out. Hey, Justin! Mr. Muscle, your breakfast is ready. Oh, looks like someone's hungry. Yeah, salad bag is what you need. Oh, how cute! I think I have a brilliant idea. So, this will come in handy for me. We pull our glove with the glass. Put the egg there. That looks pretty funny. Now wait, here's one finger. That's it. And draw a beautiful pattern in the pad. In my opinion, it turned out quite nice. Now we'll put it on a plate and rub it on a roll. Well, Justin, it's time to eat. Hey, how about a snack? Let me guess, egg again? Well, what can I do now? Let Charlie appreciate your dish. Charlie, what do you say? If Charlie could talk, he would say no. Hello, Goldie. Wow! But this fish is useful to me. Yeah. Lips, your lips. Well, first we'll break the egg into a bowl. Now we take our fish. Great! The fish will help me separate the yolks from the whites. Jello like this. Oh! Great. But I'm still missing something. Oh, hello, cutfish. I'm so glad to see you. Whoa, it looks like you have a gift for me. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Bye. That's exactly what I need. We pour the ink of the cutfish to the proteins. What a beautiful black color. Now we'll mix it all up and we'll send it to the frying pan. Add the yolks on top. Wow, it looks just incredible. But what about the taste? Okay, we'll find it out. Justin! Oh no! Ow! It hurts so much. Why? Oh, Brittany? Are you sure you can eat this? Well, there's only one way to find it out. Let's try now. I am full of something, but I say no. I'm going to start hallucinating from this egg soon. But speaking of this, where did this egg come from? But it doesn't matter, it seems that a brilliant idea has visited me again. Shh. Sleep, little ones. Mommy will prepare a warm bath for you. Like that. We waited a few seconds. Ready. So, and this is something else. Wow. I see a person who has not subscribed to our channel. Okay, it's time to start the most interesting part of our life hack. We'll lay out a few pencils on the plastic wrap. We'll clean the egg from the shell. Yeah, it's not an easy job. 2 peel eggs are wrapped into a wrap. And we fasten our construction with an elastic band. You probably still haven't guessed what the catch is? Now everything will immediately become clear. Voila! Our eggs have acquired a beautiful and unusual shape. Now we count them. Wow! How cool they look! We put our egg stars on a plate with lettuce leaves. Delicious, healthy, and beautiful. Hey, Justin! Boom! Hey! Hey, what are you doing? Let this gun fly a little. Show me what you have here. Hey, looks really good. Now let's taste it. Whoa! Great job, Brittany. Well, I can go. I can handle it myself. Oops. Because of all these life hacks with eggs, we have an entire house full of empty egg boxes. But fortunately for this house, I'm a born life hacker, and yes, of course, I found a way out of this situation. Add the dye to the container with water. And we bath our box, and the resulting mixture, super. Now we need to do the same with the other boxes. Just look at these bright rainbow colors. Of course, I almost forgot about it. We'll lay out the soft multicolored balls at the very top of our design. Great. Well, let's go. Woohoo! That's it, a little more. Hey, Brittany, I see you've got a new stylish ottoman. That's right, flowers need water to live. What do we have here? Whoa! What is he doing? Come on, it can't be. We urgently need to check this life hack. Carefully. Oh, carefully so as not to regret me. Great, she won't even know anything. Oh, who's sleeping here? So, where are her tights here? Not that. Not that. Oh, here they are. We should try it on. So, I wonder how I look.
Hey!
What? Brittany? Justin! What are you doing? It is really peekaboo already. What is it? An interesting life hack? Okay, let's check it out.
Okay.
Go. So it's time to get started. Let's check the tights. What you need? Come on, Justin, throw the egg. Let's go. And now, twist and twist and twist and twist. Woohoo! Well done. Oh, my head is starting to spin. Already? That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, let me get it. Just like that, and immediately into the water. Yeah. Wait for a minute. It seems it's ready. Yeah, it's time to get it. Please. What's there? What's there? Like an ordinary egg? And inside? Also nothing unusual. Yeah, Justin, your life hack is complete nonsense. Up. Grab a toy. Good boy. What? Come on, we need to show Brittany urgently. Wait for me here, doggy. Hey, Brittany, take your mind off magazine. Look what I found. It turns out that if you put an egg in vinegar, it will turn into a rubber ball. Imagine! Let's go check it out soon. That's interesting, right?
Okay.
Come on, pour it vinegar. Hey, ew, it stinks. Yeah, come on, full bowl. Yeah, and put an egg in there.
Okay.
Can you just set a timer? Super.
Yes!
Yeah. What should we do in the meantime? Can we dance? That's it. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, catch it. Twist and turn. What's that noise? Oh, our egg is ready. Well, that's it. We need to check it out. Wow. Wow, it feels strawberry. But if you throw it... Oh my god, it's crazy. It's jumping. Catch it, Justin. Hey, doggy. Come here quickly. Look, what a new toy you have. Hurry up and catch him, baby. What a video. What? This can't be happening. Brittany has to see it. Justin, that's all because of me. What?
Oh,
yes,
no.
this can't be. Let's check it out. So, and here are our eggs. Now there will be a test drive. Let's build a path out of them. Yeah. Now that's it. And now a little walk. Come on. That's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I walked through the eggs and they didn't breathe. I'm shocked myself. What if... Walk in my hands. Take care.
Really?
And they still don't break. Go. Oh, and if I dance a little on them? I like this. And 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Oh, I think it was too much. Justin, look at my sock. Is everything really bad? Well, it happens. I'm bored. But wait a minute. What's this? Come on. Oh! No, well, it definitely needs to be repeated.
Alright!
I must go. Brittany! What are you doing?
Hey!
Look what I found! What a stink! I'm even mixed up there. Oh my god! What do you have here? This can't be happening! Although, the idea! Catch the egg! Oh, where is your coordination?
Oh, man!
Hey! What about the rope?
Okay.
Don't forget about safety precautions. That's better.
Amen.
Hey, give me 5! And now you can lower the egg. Well done. And now I let something for myself. Yeah, like this. What a smell. Just a couple of drops. That's enough. Come on! truly painted. Turn out the lights. And here's my flashlight. It works. The video did not deceive us.
Oh.
Hey, what?
What?
Let's have a look.
Awesome.
Come on, that's cool. We must repeat it. Hi, Mrs. Ag. Well, what have you got there again? I think I know what you need. So I think I'll take this for myself. Don't blame me. And here I am. Hello. Oh, I think I got a little holiday. But I have Sparkles and Mrs. Ag with me. Insert the light inside the egg and set it on fire. We did it? Really? The smell is like, I don't know. Let's have a look. What about inside? Oh, it's ready! This is a really cool life hack. Tip it up, Justin. What do we have here? An egg with mouse? Hey, what do you have here? Really? How is this possible? We need to check it. Hey, Brittany, I have a new experiment. Let's go. Oh, let's see. Let's see what I have. Oranges, lunchbox, lighter, and my pencil case. So first, you need to empty the bottle. It's so good that I just love oranges.
Oh.
So delicious. Ugh, that's right. Oops, I'm sorry. So, what do I have in my pencil case? Duct tape and candles. Bye-bye, pencil case. No. Oops. I'm sorry, Justin. And here are blue legs for lunch. Now I'll put candles in it. It's time to light it. Pew, pew, pew. Fire. Great. And now I'll cover it with a bottle. Look. Oh my god, can you see it? Oh no. No, it seems the neck is not enough. It breaks the egg into pieces. We didn't do it right.
Man.
What an interesting video. I can't tear myself away. And Brittany made me wipe the dust. Hey, what are you doing? Stop! Well, now I'm going to wipe your face like that. Do you like it? What do you have here? Hey, let's check it out. And here's my favorite frying pan. Wait a second. I'm going there and back. Hey, here comes the garlic. 1, 2, 3, and there's only 1 clove left. Now I'll grab the pan with them and pour out the egg. So, it's just me, or it's completely different from the video? Strange. So in this assignment, option A. What do you want, Justin? I'm starting. Wow. Oh my god. Let's do it.
All right.
Well, are you ready? Wow, that's what we need. This is where we will install the egg. So, 2 textbooks and jumbles. Wow, the egg is really much stronger than it seems.
Cool.
The experiment was successful. What a dirty frying pan. I think I know what to do with it. I'll take the shell and drop it into powder in a mortar. I pour it into a frying pan. That's salt. And pour water over it. And now I'm whipping it up. Hey, look. Yeah, you can use it as a mirror. Great life hack.